What's up, y'all? Domino 7 here. Okay. Well, there's some bad weather right here, and I'm on the bus traveling in the rain, All right. I'm downtown at Duncan Plaza. Here we are in the rain. Yep. I'm standing under this tree. I don't barely feel no raindrops. I'm dry as a bone. Okay. So, a little song. I'm traveling in the rain. I'm traveling in the rain. I'm just singing, freestyling, and traveling in the rain. Yeah. All right.
I got a poncho, you want?
Huh?
I got a poncho in my backpack.
A what?
I got a poncho in my backpack, you want?
No, whatever it is, I don't think so.
All right.
I ain't even hear what you're saying, though.
I got a red jacket in my poncho rain.
Oh, a rain jacket. Oh, thanks anyway, man.
All right.
I'm doing the show, in case you're wondering.
All right.
Oh, no, you don't have to apologize, though. You good. All right. Oh, that's somebody offering me something, but, yep. Well, I'm dry as a bone. I'm rapping in the rain, singing in the rain, freestyling in the rain. Just, hey, how you doing? Okay, letting people know what I'm doing. It's a hard weather out here. I guess I picked a fine time. I guess I should have bought a raincoat. You heard me? It's freestyling in the rain, blah, blah, blah. It's raining like cats and dogs. La-di-da-di-da, flipping like a top. I don't even know what I'm singing. I'm rapping in the rain. I'm singing in the rain. Clapping in the rain. Vlogging in the rain. Vlogging in the rain. Blogging in the rain. Vlogging in the rain. Well, ran the TV talk about vlogs, There go the bus right there. That was a canal. I could have got on that one. The hell with that. Went on a St. Bernard. Riding circles. Talking like Burkos, Lurkos, or Blurkos. Look at this. Freestyle in the rain. Tap dancing in the rain. Dancing in the rain. Just vlogging in the rain. Traveling in the rain. Well, I'm gonna upload this video twice on YouTube. Different titles to this, but same video. Freestyling in the rain, traveling in the rain, or should I just upload it once with a couple of titles in it, So, yep, it's some hard rain and it's a cold front, I should have got my raincoat. I wasn't even thinking. That bus say not in service. That's a Jefferson Parish bus right there, The old Jefferson Parish bus. Da-da-da-da. All right. Freestyling in the rain. Vlogging in the rain. Singing in the rain. Da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da. Well, there's a lot of people around here. I don't want them to think I'm talking to myself. So anyway, there's a couple of buses over there, 2 Jefferson Parish buses, So, I'm in Orleans Parish right now, Louisiana, okay? So, doing all kind of crap in the rain, That's what I do. Freestyle in the rain, travel in the rain, that's what I do, Yep. I got another camera, but y'all can't see, Well, that's all I'm doing right now. Yep. That's how it is, Woody. That's how it is, Freestyling in the rain, vlogging in the rain. Well, I'll just upload this video once, okay? I changed my mind. I'm gonna upload this video on YouTube once, Traveling in the rain, okay? That's the name. I feel like it's slacking up a little bit. I mean, it wasn't even raining at all. I guess in certain parts of the city, it'll rain. I don't know if y'all see or what. There's steam coming from the that building. You know, I used to see steam sometime. I was thinking one of the buildings was on fire. I wasn't born when the road system of the building was on fire. That was way before I was even born. You know. Okay. Yep. Yeah. So there's a lot of people here. Well, some people. I don't want people to think I'm talking to myself because, you know, people open their mouths too damn much. You know? Talk too doggone much, you know? Uh-huh. That person was splashing. Another one splashing. Uh-huh. I'm glad it ain't flooded, you know? I'm totally glad it ain't flooded. Wipe my screen off, you know? I don't know what the hell I'm laughing for. Thinking of the cartoons or whatever, you know? Yeah, this branch of cotton shield me from the rain. Or should I stand under that tree? I can't stand over that, you know? Well, maybe I should. I'll be too far, you know? Yep. So, while I'm live and stuff like that, y'all see the steam coming from one of the buildings. The building's not on fire, thank God, you know. Or the rain slacked up a little bit. Well, it's slacking up though. Imagine if it'll rain non-stop, heavy rain non-stop for 5, 6, or 7 hours. We'll definitely have to get in the boat, you know. All right, look at that. The Saint Bernard, I think. Yes, it is. 2 days in a row, the Saint Bernard bus have a brand new bus. So I'm about to stop this tape and get on the bus here. So see y'all, yeah.